Hello Taurus people, how you are all doing? Today I'm gonna do the love message reading for you for October 2020. So do like, share, subscribe my channel. So let's begin with your reading. What's coming to Taurus? What's coming to Taurus as a love message? What you need to hear, Taurus people? The Four of Swords reversed. What does Taurus people wanna know here? The world. You want to move out of this relationship and you want to change your place. Maybe either you are so oppressed in this relationship right now, you want to move here, or maybe you have, if you are in a happy relationship, you have traveled a lot with your person, like on some destination trip tours, I can see here. What else does Taurus people know as a love message in their love reading? The Death. Oh my god, this card also popped up in the Aries reading and it again came here. So this seems and some transformation here, some fresh beginning to your relationship. Alright, what else does Taurus people want to know in their relationship? Guide me, Taurus reading, love message. Come on. Ace of Wands reversed, passion reversed. Alright. So I hope you can see the cards clearly over here. This is the Four of Swords reversed, Taurus people. Taurus people are otherwise earth sign. If you don't know, I can describe for you that they are earth sign. Alright. They are people who love beauty, passion, pleasure, good food, wine, romance, intimacy very much. These are that kind of people. They are a fixed kind of people. They don't change easily, but they are ruled by Venus. That is why they love all the pleasures and comforts of life so much. So I can see here the love message for you is here to travel. Maybe if you have fixed yourself so much due to this coronavirus, obviously you cannot move out of the house too frequently. You want to end the boredom in your life. Maybe you want to move on. You want to grab the new opportunity that is coming your way. With the Ace of Wands, they always bring new beginnings, and here, as it's primarily a love reading, love message, here I can see a new person coming into your life. You want to break out, move on with your relationship. Here I'm just seeing that you want to separate out from the person with whom you are in love, or you are not satisfied in your love connection. You want to move forward with that. I can see here you definitely want to change your place here with the world, or maybe you have traveled a lot with that person, or it can also mean for some of you that you broke with that person, ended your relationship with that person. See, this is an end card, transformation card, end of cycle here. It does not literally mean death. Don't get afraid here, because it means the end of that terrible relationship that you were having with someone, or maybe you have traveled a lot with them, and you have moved with them to a new place, Taurus people, or you want to move on from that relationship now. See, this person is rowing away fast in a boat. Can you see? The Six of Swords reversed. You possibly had a fight with them and you now want to move on in your life happily. You're a happy person and you have completely ignored that person. Even if that person has gone out of your life, you are a solo kind of person who is just in self-love. who wants to enjoy their solo time and wants to travel the world, wants to change their location. If you are currently fixed and bored living at one relationship, you want to end your monotony by exploring new people. You want to try and blind date a lot so that you get a fire sign, but something is blocking you here. But I think this card is only one card seems to be blocking you here. The other cards are definitely a positive sign. You definitely want to end something. You are like this beautiful ring. Can you see? You just have, this is the situation of Taurus right now. You just have this ring on the finger now, that it's just on the tip of your finger, and you're gonna propose to anyone randomly who comes out there. So this is a good sign. This is a very positive, jolly sign over here, and definitely you are gonna enjoy the end of your relationship. The love message is here not to hold back, and whosoever comes, okay, Taurus people, whatever opportunity comes there, you definitely gonna ace that opportunity. You are gonna ace that opportunity soon. So this is definitely a good sign for you. I can see a birth of a new relationship here with the Ace of Wands, with the Ace of Wands reversed here. So see these teddies here with the Ace of Wands reversed here. Let me add more aesthetic to my video. Alright. So this was my message, love message for the Taurus people out there. See this, you and your partner. But I can see a lot of independent, fierce energy over here. Although you are an earth sign, but I can see a lot of fierce energy. You want to move out without caring for the other person. It's actually a good sign. Let me see what else is there here. This is the message, the love message, and I'm gonna see what is coming to you. The love message for you, Taurians, my fellow Taurians out there. Okay, fuck off, cheater. Oh my god. So as I said, you, maybe that person has cheated you, and you definitely gonna end the relationship, are in a mood to end the relationship. You're gonna do that because you are now clear in your mind what you're gonna give that hater, that cheater. So where is, can you see? You focus. Fuck off, cheater. This is the message that you have, Taurians. The message that came out for you is just so accurate for your reading here, Taurus people. So this was my reading for the Taurus people out there. I want you to like, share, subscribe my channel for more interesting videos if you want me to make. Alright, do let me know at least in the comment box that what type of videos you want in the future.